Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can send and receive fax messages on your Redmi Note 10 Lite. So we have to start from opening the Play Store, then look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Play Store. I am always using the Easy Fax. So we have to launch it now. Add the permissions to the camera and the files. And now if you want to select the document, tap on this plus and choose the source of your document. You can choose something from your gallery, take a photo of your document, or just select a PDF from downloading files, for example. So I will choose something from your gallery, like this one, select the selected files and click import. Then you can adjust a shape of your document to make it more specific, and click arrow icon. Then choose a filter for it to make it more visible, and you can also add a signature. You can choose the place for it by dragging it and change the size by using this small icon. That's it. If you're ready, click here, and this is your signature in the document. If you want to add a text or a graffiti, use that icons. Then, if you're ready, click accept icon. And to add more documents, click the plus and do it the same. And you can also choose something from your, for example, download files. So now, if you want to send only this one, type the number in this place and select the country. Then tap on this icon, and that's it. But if you want to get a fax number to receive the fax messages, just tap here on this incoming tab and tap on the get fax number. Then choose your plan, tap on the continue and choose your fax number. Then just send it and wait for the fax messages. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.